kiddos. So today we are going to continue working on our R-controlled vowels. However, today we are going to focus mainly on IR, ER, and UR. And there's something very special about these R-controlled vowels. They all say the exact same sound. So you're wondering, well, how am I supposed to know how to spell my word if all three of these sound exactly the same? Well, we're going to use what we call the spelling option procedure. And that's a really fancy way of saying we are going to plug in each R-controlled option to see which one looks correct. Now, if you still don't know after that, then you need to get out your dictionary and you need to look up the word to see which one is the correct spelling. So let's go ahead and do a couple practice ones together with me, and then I'm going to have you practice by spelling the word, marking it up, and checking your answer with me on the video. So let's go ahead and do a practice. Let's do the word first. Echo. Good. Let's tap out the word first. First. What is the first sound you heard? Good. What is the second sound you heard? Exactly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a place marker there because we're not sure yet which one goes there. Let's keep spelling. S is the next sound, followed by the T first. Now there is my word. And all I have to do now is the spelling option procedure, which means I plug in each one to see which one looks correct. So let's go ahead and do. First, does that look correct to you? It does not. So I'm going to put that one away. How about this option? Does this look correct? It does not. How about this option? Does this look correct? It does. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to circle the R-controlled vowel, and then you're going to mark up your blend with two separate underlines. Underline the entire word and mark it with an R for R-controlled. Now the next word I want to do is the word verb. Echo. Good. Tappers out. Let's tap. Verb. What is the first sound you heard? Very good. What is the second sound? But we're not sure yet, so we're going to just draw a line and leave it blank. What is the final sound you heard? Very good. Now we're going to go ahead and drag and drop our spelling option procedure to see which one looks correct. Does that make the word verb? It does not. Does this make the word verb? It does not. Our final option is ER. Does this make the word verb? It does. So you can go ahead and start marking this word up by circling that R-controlled vowel, underlining the entire word, and marking it with an R for R-controlled. Now this next part is the part where you are going to practice with me. So if you don't have your materials yet, go ahead and go get a piece of paper and a pencil. If not, you can use your fingers to write on the desk to try to mark up that word. All right, are you ready? I'm going to give you the word. I want you to echo it. I will give it to you in a definition, and then I want you to spell and mark up that word by pushing pause to give yourself enough time to do that. When you're done, push play to check your answer. All right, here we go. The first word is chirp. Chirp. Echo. I heard the baby bird chirp from the tree. Chirp. Go ahead and spell and mark up your word, then push play to check. All right, kiddos, let's talk about the word chirp. Let's tap it out. Ch, p, chirp. What is the first sound you heard? Ch, which is a digraph CH. Good. The second sound says Well, I don't know yet, so I'm going to leave that blank. And then the third sound is p, p, and p. And I'm going to put that at the end. Now I'm going to use my spelling option procedure to see which one looks correct. Does this look like chirp? It does not. Does this look like chirp? Yes, it does. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and mark up your word by circling your R-controlled vowel, and then you can underline the digraph, underline the entire base word, and mark it with an R for R-controlled. All right, next one. Let's do the word whirl. Whirl. My mom told me to give it a whirl and try my best. Whirl. Go ahead and spell and mark up your word. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the word whirl. Let's tap it out. Here we go. Whirl. Whirl. What is the first sound you heard? Very good. The second sound was the And what is the final sound you heard? Very good. Let's go ahead and use our spelling option procedure. I'm going to start with the UR. Does that look like whirl? No, it does not. How about ER? Does this look like the word whirl? No, that doesn't look right either. How about IR? IR does look correct. Very good. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to circle our R-controlled vowel. We're going to underline the digraph, underline the entire base word, and mark it with an R for R-controlled.